Blame, it is, this should not have happened. We never expected such a big crowd. No police, no one, including us, we never expected. We thought normally some 30-40,000. Someone wanted to declare it a holiday. We didn't want it to do it also. We didn't do it. So the crowd also was being divided between Vidhan Saudha and this one. Stadium is 35,000 capacity. But more than 3 lakh people were there around the stadium. And on the streets of from the airport also, I think very massive crowd was there. It was unbelievable. This incident has happened at the stadium where the doors were being, they have broken the doors itself. It is unfortunate, gates have been broken. So we fully apologize for this. RCB also has come out with a statement on this. But still we wanted to know the fact and we want to give a clear message. We will do it.
From yesterday you were clear, sir, that the celebration will go and the whole Karnataka will be happy. After your statement, there was BJP statement.
BJP, yes, BJP is the BJP is a double standard. They are doing double standard. They are doing politics. They are doing on the deathbed. They wanted to do politics. They only said that allow for the procession. Allow for the procession. When procession was not been allowed, only this has happened. If you have allowed for a procession, what would have been the situation? Everyone would have blocked the roads and gone on the vehicle itself. All these things would have happened. I don't want to comment much on that.
Said that open bus will be dangerous for the players at the pitch.
No. Yes, see, it is very. I don't want to explain all those things, but it is. We are very sorry for this incident. We all will work out for a better solution in the future.
Last question, sir. Now, after witnessing all these things, you have announced compensation as well. On the other side, BJP is saying it's a pre-planned death.
They are doing politics on the death beds.